Hello everyone, my name is Sitar Rai, student of Namchi Government College. Today I am going to present my presentation on the topic Awareness of Consumer Protection Act in Sikkim. In today's presentation, I highlight some of the important points from the Consumer Protection Act. Firstly, introduction. Consumer Protection Act 2019, earlier it was Consumer Protection Act 1986. The new act enacted to provide enhanced protection to consumer taking into consideration the booming e-commerce industry and the modern methods of providing goods and services such as online sales, tele shopping, direct selling and multi-level marketing in addition to the traditional method. A few important changes have been made in new Act of 2019. The basic act is Consumer Protection Act 1986. The act contains 31 sections in total. Definition Section 2. Complainant. Who can file a complaint? First one, a consumer. Second one, any voluntary consumer association registered under law. Third one, central or state government. And fourth one or more consumer having the same interest. Section C, rights. Rights of the consumer. First one, right to protection against hazardous goods. Second, right to inform about quality, quantity, purity, etc. of goods. Third one, access to variety of goods and services at competitive price. Right to seek redressals. And last one, right to consumer education. Section 9 CDRA, Consumer Dispute Redressals Agency. District Forum, established by state government in each district. Second one, State Commission, established by state government in state capital. Third one, National Consumer Dispute Redressals Forum, established by central government. District Forum. Section 10, composition. President qualified to be a district judge. Two other members, one should be woman. Section 11, jurisdiction up to 1 crore. A complaint can be filed in district forum under section 12. Section 15, appeal. Any person aggrieved by an order made by the district forum may refer an appeal to the state commission within 30 days from the date of order. State Commission. Section 16, composition. President qualified to be a judge of higher court. Two other member, one should be a woman. Section 17, jurisdiction up to 10 crore. Section 19, appeal. Any person aggrieved by an order made by the state commission may refer an appeal to the national commission within 30 days from the date of the order. Section 17B, the state commission shall ordinarily function the state capital. National Commission. Section 20, composition. President qualified to be a judge of Supreme Court. Four other members, one should be a woman. Section 12, jurisdiction over and above 10 crore. Section 23, appeal. Any person aggrieved by an order made by the National Commission may refer an appeal to the Supreme Court within 30 days from the date or order.